What is up, everybody? We are actually doing something interesting. It's gonna be shot all on the 360 One X. It's a brand new camera. It's a 360 camera. We'll see if this works. I'm just gonna be riding around this little parking lot and kind of exploring what it can do. This is also a test for me on how I can edit and do this myself. But guys, I plan on using this camera on here, on this. So I want to have it on my handlebars. So when I'm out riding with a group of people, if I am having somebody like, let's say, let's go over here. Let's say like right where the camera is. So instead of this camera just facing me, I can actually edit it to where it shows them. Same thing with everywhere. I plan on using it on here. Maybe I can set it up on here. Maybe I can set it up on top of my head. That way I can get everybody on group rides. You know what I mean? And 360 cameras are actually pretty cool. This is one that I thought about getting the Hero 7 and all that stuff. I thought about getting the whole new Yi. And I was thinking about the GoPro Fusion, but this one just came out. Brand spanking new. And it seems pretty badass. And I was thinking about 360 cameras for a while now for that exact purpose, but I couldn't find anything that got me what I wanted. So I finally found this. Now, right now, it doesn't have like an action camera base. Like it doesn't have a thing to hook up to a GoPro base and stuff, so like my RAM mounts. Right now, it's just a tripod mount on the bottom, but they're coming out with an action case so that, you know, you don't damage it. You know, it's like a waterproof. And I plan on getting that when that comes out, but I'm not gonna put it on my bike until that does come out, because I don't want to damage and mess up my $400 camera. But these are things that I'm investing in when it comes to the Patreon stuff. The Patreon stuff, I'm investing my stuff. Practicing my slow speed turns. I got my ARC-1 coming up pretty soon. But I invest into something that's better, and I felt like, you know, just another action camera, which is just the direction to my face, wasn't good enough. And I was thinking about maybe getting another drone, and I was like, man, that'd be kind of cool to capture everybody on the rides, but it's like drones can only go like, the good ones can only go up to like 40 miles an hour. And we might not do that, you know, we might go faster. So I figured 360 drones. 360 drones. Or not drones, 360 cameras. I thought that might be worth it, you know? So this is what I'm doing. I got it. And then, like I said, this is a test for me for when I edit also. Now, I can also make it to where it does like that small planet, you know, thing where, or I could just put this straight up on the internet and you could move it around yourself. But I'm the creator and I kind of want you to see what I want you to see, you know? That's kind of how it works. Plus, I think a lot of the 360 stuff, when you're in control, it's like not as fun. It's cool when you're like, when you take a 360 picture of like inside a Harley dealership, you know what I mean? So you can get all the other, so you can get everything, you know? So you can scroll it yourself. So it does make 360 pictures. I took one right before hopping on. I'm just messing around at this point. I don't even know what I'm doing. And it was a lot of fun. There's a lot of cool stuff. But I'm just kind of showing off what the camera can do. Hopefully I'm able to make it track me. And I think that'd be kind of neat. But this is something else that I'm going to bring to the YouTube vlog. So I plan on replacing this with that. And when we do the DDFM meetup, I plan on taking a lot of 360 pictures. And I plan on having a lot of fun with this. So this is gonna be something that's a little bit different. Hopefully I'm bringing something different to motovlogging with the 360. And if you see anybody else, any popular people that get this or get a 360 camera and start doing what I'm doing, tell them that I started it. And if I didn't start it, then there's somebody else that's doing this for the purpose that I'm using it, not just having a 360 camera, but just, you know, doing it how I'm using it, then still, that sucks. I want to be the first. But guys, I'm having a lot of fun. I plan on taking these to a lot of my classes, so you guys can have a 360 view of what's going on. So I think that'd be a lot of fun. All right, so I'm done playing around. I'm gonna go home and edit all this stuff for the patrons. If you want to see how this is edited and how this is all worked out, please become a patron. It's $1 a month, and you get like probably 20 live streams a month, a ton of behind the scenes stuff, all just for $1. All right, let's go ahead and let's pop this off. I think it's really cool. I think it's really neat. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys later.